Hello, right. So I wanted to show you guys something, mainly for the new guys, or if you're new to boiler repairs as well, then you definitely want to watch this. So I use these two manuals, the Gas Engineer's Bible by Advanced Boiler Training and the Breakdown Bible or Boiler Buddy by Boilers to Bathrooms. Both of these have helped me a heck of a lot when I've been on jobs, and I wasn't too sure, especially, at the beginning when, and even now to be honest, but especially at the beginning of my gas repairs journey, where I wasn't too sure what was going on. Both these has really helped me and still continue to do so. So I'll give you a quick. I'm not going to show too much of what's inside. Obviously, you'll have to buy it if you want to see it, but I'll show you the content. So this one here is for the Gas Engineer Bible, and you can see here all the different things that you have in the contents. Everything with relation to combis, S-plan, Y-plan, how to wire a nest, how to wire a hive, fault finding on an S-plan, Y-plan on combis. It's got some other really useful things as well. So stuff like this, where, for example, if there's a high-pitched sound from that's coming from the boiler, what the possible cause of that could be. If there's banging or gurgling, what the possible cause of that could be. A clicking sound, what the possible causes of that could be. So, and it's got so much more, a lot of useful information, as well as contact numbers for all the manufacturers as well. And just things to do, what to look out for on services, etc. So again, if you're someone new to the industry or starting doing repairs, this is absolutely essential in my opinion. And then the next one is the Breakdown Bible, or Boiler Buddy. Let's have a look at the contents here. So on the contents here, we've got boiler servicing, fault codes, faults explained, stuff to carry on the van, what you should be having, like a stock list, tool list, useful contacts. Again, this is another brilliant book. A lot of the fault codes are to do with Worcesters, how to date Worcester boilers, etc. I'll just go to one page here, which will give you an example. So when you're doing boiler breakdown, so let's say you go to a combi boiler which has excess in pressure, then you just follow the flow chart. So, does the boiler display excess pressure? Yes, it does. Isolate the flow and return, drain the boiler. Does it still display excess pressure? If it's yes, then replace the gauge, the pressure gauge or pressure sensor. If no, then you go on to the next step, and so on, and you follow it all the way until you get to the right answer. So again, both of these, I'm going to put a link for both of them, for the Gas Engineer's Bible and the Breakdown Bible. And like I said, for all you new guys out there, this is something that you should be carrying with you. Okay.